Now, as if you could have avoided this, Valentine's Day is upon us. Just been discussing whether or not we got cards, but thanks to the smartphone, Cupid now has another string to his bow.
Yeah, we're talking about online dating, and the industry's worth more than $5 billion every year. Mobile users are, well, pretty much spoilt for choice. Certainly of options, maybe not for dates. That's another issue.
Yeah, because of the most popular apps like Tinder and Bumble, there are loads of apps which try and find you a potential partner using everything, apparently from your musical taste now to your DNA.
Yeah, so how do they all work? Tom Davis has been finding out.
Tinder, yeah.
I've been known to Tinder around a bit.
Yeah, I've used Tinder, but I didn't like it, I deleted it. We've all been on Tinder, of course we've all got the app.
Too tall, too sporty, too vain. Many of the traditional dating websites try to bag you that special someone by asking you about your personal preferences. And while experts agree that online dating is good at widening the overall pool, is more data really the solution to finding Mr. or Mrs. Right?
The research is now clear that using individual level information, so personality, values, preferences, to try to predict who's going to be compatible in the future is a losing game. It might seem like, oh, just set people up with other people who are similar to them. It's a reasonable hypothesis, but nobody's been able to find consistent evidence for that idea.
So if data isn't helping us to find our perfect partner, how else can apps be used to track down our soulmate? Well, one firm thinks it has the answer, and they think true love is all about chemistry.
Hey, my name is Asma Mirza. I am one of the co-founders and the Chief Executive Officer of Pheramor.
My name is Dr. Brittany Barreto. I'm Chief Scientific Officer and co-founder. Pheramor is a dating app that matches singles based on their genetics and metadata from social media.
We do this by sending you a genetic kit. We look at your cheek cells, extract the portion of the DNA that encodes for that, and this way you're able to look at who you'd be chemically and biologically attracted to.
DNA is not everything, but DNA and pheromones are what love at first sight is all about.
In the age of the smartphone, many of us singletons are pinning our hopes on love at first swipe rather than love at first sight. And although there are increasingly more and more dating apps available, now the problem may be that there's just too much to choose from. Tom Davies, BBC News.
Did Tom have his shoes on the seats there?
I think he did.
Yeah.
Sackable offence. Not Valentine's Day.